Ready to go, Steve?
Ready to go. As good as we think it's going to be.
Yeah, so
Just got to take it nice and easy.
I know that feeling.
Bring the car back and get as good a time as I can.
Awesome. Can you bring the other fuel can over too, please?
I'm on the side of the road. We've been going pretty well, but we've just done an engine in the BMW. I think it's broken an oil pump chain and it's just gone out, no oil pressure, and so it stopped. But we're going quite well. The roads are really fast, the car's really fast. So there you have it. We're stopped on the side of the road. Got to wait for the last last car to come through, and then the sweeps or whatever, and get ourselves towed from here. We're not very far from the service, Robbie, my co-driver, tells me. So yeah. And here's the car. We stopped, not a great spot, but we just got no power to get up this hill, obviously. So we've stopped here. There's a car going to come through. We'll watch him come through. He'll be slow because he's seen how boards are so on. But no oil pressure, and then we did a tyre also, and we did a bit of damage to the guard as well because of the tyre, and we also managed to blow a fuse for the system that runs the ignition coils. We replaced that, got going again, and then we've, as I said, I think I think it's broken an oil pump chain. Hence no more oil pump, hence no engine oil. Here's another one. But yeah, the car's damaged in the sense that the engine's damaged and the mudguard's damaged, but I've got plenty of mudguards and so on. So I've got to get myself another engine, and so this will be engine number 2. So yeah, maybe these BMWs aren't very bloody good. Oh well, maybe got to drive it slower. Anyway, here we are.